Hello, what's up guys? So today I have a brand new unboxing and the retro has come back to life. Our moms and dads have probably played these games. These are olden day games, but they have been recreated into this. I finally got my hands on one of these Go Gamers, and these have all the old games. So if you want to see, this is a Go Gamer by the brand My Arcade. It has 220 games and it's a 16-bit gamer, and if you can see, this is a see-through plastic. So it has a 2.5-inch color display, a volume control, and 3.5 mm headphone jack, and it is powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are not included in the box. So I got my own. So now to open the box, so I'm just gonna have to use my fingernails or something to get the box open, or something. Get a pen to open up the box. There we go. Now I gotta cut up. Wait, is it cut? Wait.